In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Vimeo video on Behance. To get started, head over to Vimeo and sign into your account. If you do not already have one, you can create an account first. This is important because you'll need access to the video settings before you can generate the correct embed code for Behance. Once you're inside Vimeo, locate the video you want to add to your Behance project. If the video has not been uploaded yet, go ahead and upload it first and wait until it is ready. After you find the correct video, hover over it and click the share icon. This will open a pop-up window with sharing options. Before copying anything, take a moment to review the privacy and viewer permissions. This step matters because if the privacy settings are too restricted, the video may not display properly when embedded on Behance. After that, click the embed option. From here, you can choose the size of the video. In many cases, a responsive size works well because it adjusts more smoothly across different screen sizes, but you can also choose a fixed size if that better suits your project layout. You'll also see extra playback options, including autoplay, mute, and loop. Turn on the settings you want your audience to experience. For example, if you want the video to begin playing right away and repeat continuously, enable autoplay and loop. Depending on the content, muting the video can also be useful, especially for portfolio presentations where silent playback feels cleaner. Once everything looks right, click to copy the embed code. Next, open your Behance project editor. This is where you'll place the Vimeo video into your project. Inside the editor, click the embed option. A pop-up window will appear, giving you a space to paste content. Paste the Vimeo embed code you copied a moment ago, then click embed. Now give it a few seconds to load completely. This part is important because the video preview may take a moment to appear depending on your connection and the video itself. Once it finishes loading, you should see the embedded Vimeo video directly inside your Behance project. If you enabled autoplay and loop in Vimeo, those settings should carry over here as well. And that's it, your Vimeo video is now embedded in Behance and ready to be part of your project presentation.